Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Today's video is Yoga for Connection. Let's begin. So to connect with someone, you need to open up your heart. So let's focus on opening your heart, opening your chest. Okay? So let's kneel down comfortably. It's called Seiza position in Japanese. So from here, Namaste, palm together, and bow to your own hand. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, relax. Inhale, air goes through the entire spine and body. Fill up your body with air. And exhale, relax. Think of a person or things you love, and let's send our energy and thought toward persons, things you love, and you're passionate about it. Just take your moment. Now, let's take tabletop pose. Today, I want you to really focusing on opening up your chest, engaging your shoulder blades, opening up your sternum lifting up toward the sky, and so that lifting up your onto your toes, and just stay there. Open your chest, widen collarbone. Try to get sun rays with all your heart. Your gaze up and slowly putting your knees down. Stay there. Few more breath. Widen collarbones. And relax. Let's take Sphinx pose. Straighten your knees and straighten your toes. And press forearm and palms down, pressing down, fingertips wide open. And press your forearm and palm and just open and up. Shoulders away from ears. Shoulder blades down and together to keep your chest open, collarbone wide. Think about your neck won't collapse. Long neck. Create space each vertebra. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to open. And smile. Keep breathing. And now, tuck your toes, bend your knee. Place your palm, let's take downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. And feel free to fidget around, to pedal off your feet, to stretch your calves. And if you need a little bit to sway your hips to the side, do whatever your body wants. Maybe relax your neck. If you are feeling tightness around your neck, shoulders. And let's take downward facing dog. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Four corner of your feet pressing down, ground yourself. And shoulder blades together, open your chest. Widen your collarbones. Heart open. Chest close to your thighs. Tailbone toward the sky. Shoulders away from ears. From here, inhale, right leg up, and exhale, step between your hands. And let's bring back knee down and straighten your toes, back toes. And from here, keep your hips square. Interlace hands behind. Open your chest. Remember, we are opening your heart for connection. And a little bit gaze up and stand up toward the sky. Get a lot of sun rays, lot of sunshine with your heart. Keep breathing. Ujjayi breath. Always cultivate Ujjayi breath. Shoulders blaze down. And release. Now left hand on the mat. Right hand hug your right knee. Inhale, exhale, twist your upper body. Open your chest to the sky. Sternum aiming to the ceiling. Inhale, lot of air to your body. Exhale, release all the air out of your body. Deep, long breath. And back to center. Right knee meet with your left. And from here, take Adho Mukha Shavasana. Inhale, left leg up and step between. Back knee down, back toe straight. And keep your hips square. Interlace your hands behind. Open your chest. Shoulder blades connect. Connection. Inhale. And exhale, look up. Get a lot of sunshine. Widen your collarbone. Open up your chest. Inhale, exhale, connect with your intention with your breath. Smiling at sun. And release. Place your right hand on the mat, hug your knee. Inhale, lengthen, exhale, twist your upper body. Again, stand up toward the sky, heart toward the sky. Stay there. Let your breath do the work. Inhale, exhale. Full expression of your pose. And next exhale, release. Left knee meet with your right knee. Okay, let's get laying down on your back. And from here, so let's take fish pose. Support your body with your elbow and forearm. And shoulder blades together. Sternum lifting up. Open your chest. Just stay there. Shoulder blades together. Lot of air. Get lot of oxygen. Exhale, tuck your chin. Lay down on your back. Now let's place sole of your feet together. Drop your knees to the side. And let's place hand heart center. Maybe one hand or two hands. And inhale deep. Exhale, release. Enjoy this moment, this luxurious moment. This sequence is designed for you to connect with your family, friends, lovers, co-workers in a healthy and constructive way. I recommend you do it as often as you need. Also, check out my other videos in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to my channel and select the bell option to get notified of my future videos. See you soon!